Okay guys, you guys are watching another video by Chaos Films. Okay guys, welcome to my coding tutorial. Alright, now I'm just gonna, if you don't have Notepad++, go download it now. The link will be in the description. So now just make a folder on anywhere you want your folder to be. I'm just gonna name mine the tutorial on my desktop. So now after that, you're just gonna want to open your Notepad++. Let me just search it real quick. Alright, so now after it's open, alright, let me just open it again. That's for me coding again. I sometimes just code websites for fun. It's just fun. Alright, so now, that's just one of my old ones. Alright, so now after that, you're just going to want to go to save as, and then you're going to want to save this wherever you have your folder. So I'm going to put mine in tutorial. Now, this is the important part. You want to put this in all types. Now, after that, you're going to want to name this whatever you want. Well, yeah, whatever you want, but then you need the .html. After that, then you're done. Now, let's just start off our HTML code with that. With HTML, then you're going to want to do head. Then you're going to want to do title, and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name mine coding tutorial. Title. Alright, now you're going to want to put link, and you're going to want to put div, and you're going to put rel equals. Then you're going to want to put style sheet. After that, you're going to want to put type. Your type is style / text. Then you're going to want to put her, which is what it's called. Let's just name ours index css. That's so we can find it, and then end off that code. After that, you're gonna want to end off head, which is /head. Then you're gonna want to make another beginning. And after that, after you got center, you want to do table cell spacing equals whatever you want inside there. I guess I'll just put 25. And you're probably going to have to keep adjusting that to get it just right. Cell padding, I'm going to put 50. Then you're going to want to put width. And then your width, you want to do 70%. And after that, you can do BG color equals and then all those codes, but we're not going to do that until next time. So you can just put an ending to it. Now you want to put TR. Next line. Sorry for all the space, tap, noise. Alright, TD, you can also put BG code here, but we're not going to do that until a CSS tutorial. And now you're going to want to put UL. Oh, didn't know that. Alright, so after that, you can put B, and you can name, because this is where our navigation will be, and I guess we'll just call it navigation. You don't have to have this, but you can if you want. After that, you're just going to want to do LI, and then A, and then herf again. After that, you're going to want to put what you want you want it to find. So we'll just put index1.html, even though that doesn't exist. And you can also put links to websites, but you have to make sure you put the HTTP and then 2 slashes and then the link. After that, you end it off. Then you put what you want it to be called. Let's just name this YouTube. Alright, then you want to end off with A first. You always want to end off from right to left. So since we're ending off from right to left, we're going to do LI next. Alright, so that's what we have so far, guys. Let's go ahead and save that. Go to our folder. Then open our index. Alright, now let's just wait for it to load. Coding tutorial, and this is what we have coded so far. See, you got your navigation and you got your YouTube. If you press on that, you press on the link. And then I want to show how you can actually do it. Our websites are designed so they actually don't look like that. They actually look like the buttons. So now, since we clicked it, it's going to take us to YouTube. Alright, so let's see what time we're at. 5 minutes, so I guess we'll keep going. After you're done with that, you're going to want to end off UL. And you can keep adding more and more. But now we're just going to start with some paragraphs. So let's just write, welcome to the coding tutorial website. And put whatever you want there and then end it off. After that, we could just put, and if you want to do this to space the code so that's, so this is spaced up from your next sentence, you just do BR and /BR. And you can keep doing that as far as you want. Now, let's just start up another paragraph and we'll put subscribe to Chaos Films. Yeah, that's my user, but I'm actually calling myself Chaos Films because Chaos Films was already taken. So you guys can just call me Chaos Films if I ever talk to you. So now, since we got that, let's just save it with Control S. And then go back to our folder, open index again. And we'll see what it looks like now since we've done a couple more changes to it. Now this is just the basics, guys, of the HTML, the structure of our website. So see, this is our starting of our website. I know it's not that far and it's not very good, but that's just HTML structure. That's just basic HTML structure. We'll be learning a lot more advanced stuff in the near future. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can keep watching this and become a filmer. That's my name for you guys. So I think that's why I think it was space. So let's go ahead and open it back up. So yeah, the biggest website I've coded is like 200 lines, and it was really epic. But that was a long time ago. And I've already deleted it. Yes, and now that's that. Welcome to the coding tutorial website. Subscribe to Chaos Films 0. No, I don't want to do that. Alright. So guys, that's the first part of this coding tutorial video. I will be having a lot more of these videos, and I will be having some Java programming and how to make a Bukkit plugin. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later.